Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to showcase this tool called FlyOOBE that customizes Windows 11. It can bypass hardware requirements, upgrade Windows versions, and have a lot of tweaks that can actually optimize your device to the maximum experience. Firstly, how to actually download FlyOOBE. So, it's actually totally free. You need to search for FlyOOBE on Google and you will find the first link, which is a GitHub link. You need to open it, and now from the link you need to scroll down as you see right here till you find the assets section. You need to click on the FlyOOBE app.zip file as you see from here. You need to click on it, and now you will install the FlyOOBE app zip file. You need to right click on it and click on any extract app, and then click on extract to FlyOOBE app. After that, you need to open the file and you can open flyoop.exe. After you do that, this app will open as see right here. You will have the featured extensions. The first extension is the upgrade to Windows 11. If you click on it on the details, you will find that this extension will help you to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 even if you don't meet the requirements on your hardware device. So, you will have the options right here to check the version, open.exe folder, release page, and help. You need to click on Run FlyOOBE and then click on Run. After that, I'll see right here this app will open. Now, you need to download the Microsoft ISO for Windows 11 from Microsoft page, or you can download the media creation tool. You will have the option to download the Fido script from GitHub. After you choose the download source, you can click on download right here, or you can download the ISO file manually and drag it and drop it right here into the box. As you see, the third step from here is the bypass will be applied automatically, and now you can continue with the media creation tool if you want, or the installation, and you can install Windows 11. The next thing that you can do is to activate Windows 11 25H2. You can enable new features directly even if you don't meet the requirements. So if you click on details, you can actually install Windows 11 25H2 enablement package. If you click on run right here, so from here it's giving me download links for the updates. As see, I can just download and install the updates right here, and after you install the updates you can just restart your PC to finalize the changes. If I go back to the featured extensions, we will have 3 more extensions. There's the VV tool, as see from here, or the Vive tool. This tool will help you install more features that you can't actually help. Also there's the computer. This can remove any unwanted app. If you click on details, you will find all your apps that is installed on your PC that you can't uninstall, like Microsoft Copilot, like Microsoft Music, and Microsoft Your Phone. These apps you can't uninstall normally, but using the computer from FlyOOBE, if you check on the app, you can click on remove right here and it will remove the app. Also, there's the code tweaker. It will enhance your privacy settings and optimize system for gaming and etc. If I click on details, you can from here choose whatever you want to optimize. If I want to optimize Microsoft Edge, I can choose more settings right here to change, like don't show, first run experience, disable gamer mode, and things like that, and it will actually toggle it and apply it right here. There's a lot more settings right here. You can explore all of these settings. Also there's the extension hub. If I click on the extension hub or extension manager, you can find all the extensions that you can use or that you have on this app. Also, if I click on browse for extensions, you can install more extensions from web or from a file, or you can write an extension yourself. So that's how you use this Windows 11 customization tool, which is FlyOOBE. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.